So in this video, we'll learn how to install Discord on Ubuntu. So let's open our web browser and visit discord.com. Now let's click the download for Linux button and choose the Debian package. Now our download is complete. Let's click this folder icon to open the file manager and we can see our Discord Debian package. So in order to install this, let's open terminal. So I'll press Ctrl-Alt-T, or you could use the app launcher and click the terminal icon to open the terminal. And now let's set the current directory to the downloads folder and list the file. Now let's type sudo apt install /discord and hit tab. When you hit tab, this should autocomplete. If not, you can copy the file name, copy this, and then add it right after this by pasting it here. Now we'll press enter and let's enter our password. Now this will show you all the dependencies that would automatically be installed and the size of the package. Let's press Y for yes, and this will install Discord. You can ignore this warning. Now let's go into the app launcher, scroll, and now we can click the Discord app to open it. And this will download some updates and get Discord up and running soon. And if you have already logged in, then Discord would have attempted opening your browser to sign you into this app. But since I'm not logged in, we can log into the app using the email address and password, or you can log in by scanning the QR code. That's it for this video. For more, subscribe. Thank you for watching.